Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to use the Thread by Meta app, in which has been launched by Instagram. Mark Zuckerberg have been able to make this opportunity possible by creating this app in order to allow individuals to use these threads to express themselves or write content about what they are doing or what they want in order for them to reach their audience in a better way. This Thread by Meta is just exactly like Twitter, in which also gives you the opportunity to write content, share links, and be able to create your audience and give them what they are looking for in order for you to be able to reach out to them and tell them what you are looking for. All you just need to do is to follow through, as I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to do this. And one unique thing about this is that it gives you the opportunity to use up to 500 characters in expressing yourself or writing content. So if you're here and you want to create an audience, this is a better opportunity for you to do that, because a new app gives you new opportunity in order for you to be able to reach out to many individuals and all of that. Now it's not like it's saturated. You can jump into it now and start making money for yourself. And the very first thing for you to do is for you to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. It allows you to download this on your phone directly, and once you do that, all you just need to do is to install it on your phone. And once you install it on your phone, all you just need to do is to open it up, and I'll be able to open it on my phone right now. As you can see here, it will load up, giving the opportunity for you to log in or for you to sign up. So as you can see here, I already have my Instagram account here. All it's asking me now is to log into my account, or I should switch to a new account. So I will always advise that you should use your normal Instagram account, or you can also create an account if you want to build a new audience. So for you to do that, you just click on use your normal account, in which is on Instagram. So try to understand that Instagram and this thread are together, and you can be able to use it. So it's getting ready. So all I have to do is to wait as it load up, and as you can see here, it's loading up, and all you can see here is that I already have my Instagram account logged in. All I have to do now is to show you guys what you need to do in case your own did not show like this, because I've been able to log in earlier before I started doing this video. So if you go to this edit profile, in which you'll be able to see when it appears when you are trying to log in, it will ask you for you to put in your name, for you to put in your bio, and for you to put in your link. And for you to be able to do this, if your Instagram is already connected to your WhatsApp, to your phone, and you want to use your account in which you are using earlier, which is your normal Instagram account, all the information in your Instagram will also appear in this your Thread account as well, because two of them work together. But if you create a new account, it will require that you edit everything and start putting out in the information. You also have the opportunity for you to put in your account in private, or you also put it in public. If you put it on private, that means your account is a private account, and you don't require much of people to be able to see you, or your visibility will not be that much. But if it's on public, people will be able to search you and be able to follow you and be able to read your thread. Now, this is this for that. Now, if you go back to your profile when it appears on your phone, when you open it, it also gives the opportunity for you to also set up your account. Now, if you look very well, you will see here it will ask you to follow and invite. Now, you have the opportunity for you to follow account from Instagram, or you also invite your friends and all of that. Now, if you follow account on Instagram, that means all the individuals in your Instagram account who you are following before now, all of them will also appear here on your Thread account. All you just need to do is to follow all of them as well, and you'll be able to see their thread whenever they post it and all of that. So it's quite simple. All you just need to do is to understand how it works, and then you'll be able to benefit or enjoy using this particular app. Apart from this, you also have the opportunity to be able to write your first thread, and for you to be able to do that, you come down here at the bottom where you will see how to write. When you click on write your first thread, it gives you the opportunity to be able to write your thread. Now let me just say that I want to write, I'm back on thread. I'm back on thread. For example, I'm just giving an example. You have different story articles in which you can be able to write about and all of that. So once you click on back there, you can also decide to put in a link in order for people to read more about your content, or go to your website and all of that. And once you've been able to write that, all you just need to do is to click on post, and once you click on post, it will appear automatically like this, and you are good to go. So it's just quite simple, and this app is quite new, and if you rush into it right now and start building your account, you see that you will be able to reach as much people as you want and make the best use of this particular app. So as I see you on the next one, please give video a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And as I see you on the next video, stay safe.